Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Stu is back at me. How you doing? I hope everything's good with you. I got this 2023 BMW X5 M50 I. Giddy. I'm not playing with you. 4.4. You see it. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. Alright, so come with me. Shout outs to the supporters. Thank you for the love. Love you. Pause. Let's get it, alright? Come on. Alright, to open the hood, you come over here, pull this twice, pop, pop, like that. That's how you open the hood, alright? You see your vibes. Okay, once you open the hood, the only thing you gotta do here is lift the hood. Alright? 030, that's the type of oil, type of a Freon, the new type, the new kind. Engine oil cap.
Check.
Alright. Windshield fluid, reservoir.
Check.
That's how you top it off. Pulse. The battery's right under this. Auxiliary battery. That's how you boost it.
Check.
Through here. Okay. Very much. Brake fluid is under this. Okay, you see a symbol.
Check.
Alright. Air filters. One here, one over there.
Check.
Coolant reservoir.
Check.
They have one over here, one over there. AC port.
Check.
You use this to recharge the AC. Okay. Alright, let's get it. What do you say? Oh, you want to see what's under this? Okay. There you go. Alternator.
Check.
Right in the middle. Over here at the bottom, you see this plate? The engine oil pan is right past this plate. Oil drain plug.
Check.
Oil filter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this one, so I drain what's there. Okay, pulse, and then remove the whole thing. Okay. For this car right here, I'm gonna use the head stork.
Check.
T55. Alright. Counterclockwise to remove it. Okay. Let's see. It helps. It helps. Let me do that oil drain plug. I could use an Allen, but I'm gonna use the same. I'm gonna use T50. With a 3/8 ratchet, just to break it loose. Okay, because you know how it gets. It's gonna get crazy. All right, so well, let's see. Counterclockwise to loose it. Here it comes. What you think about that oil? Can you go another 3,000 miles or something? Do you like that color? Some type of not caramel. It's a little bit toasted, a little bit darker than caramel. At least I didn't get a splash all over. Right? So good, so good. Okay, alright. Your new filter comes with a package. Comes with an oil ring.
Wow.
2 oil rings and a washer. Alright. I'm gonna let it drain. I'm gonna put back this this oil filter. Okay. Scoochie. Now, sorry for the background noise. That's gonna be maybe 30, 32. I don't know. 36? Yeah, 36. .36 socket.
Ooh.
36 millimeter. Alright. Counterclockwise, use it. It's not even that tight. Huh. Did I tell you how many miles? Did I tell you the mileage for this car? No, right? I'll give it to you in a minute. Let me just remove this. It might have some oil left. Okay. I'm just gonna remove the oil filter, light soap, like that. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. I'm gonna remove the oil ring. Alright, just like that. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna put the new oil ring. Like so. Alright. Here's like a limit, right? This part gotta go in here because the other side is deeper. Okay, so this side gotta go like that. Alright, and we're good. It's not a pain in the butt. Now here, I'm just gonna tighten it. I'm gonna snug it. There you go. Now over here, I see there's a gasket. Your oil drain plug. And then you put it back, just like that, alright? That's it. Playing after yourself. Show you a little bit how the brakes look like. Okay. Front end and all that. Pipes. EPV. Sensor. Covers. Of course. Tank. Alright. You let me know if it's good or not. Alright. You know where it goes? Pop. You know how to open this, right? It has like two safeties. That's the second one. Now, I have two of this, so I'm gonna pull both. Okay? This is 5 liters right here, by the way. So I'm gonna be pouring 10 liters and a half. That's one. Here's the second one. Okay, total 10 and a half liters. Okay. Now remove the funnel. Okay. Put the engine oil cap back. And now we're gonna start the car and so we can measure the oil level. All right. If you wanna check the oil level, press the home button. Then go car. This is how you press the knob. That's the OK. Go vehicle status. Engine oil level. Engine oil measurement. It tells you right there. Pause to read. Okay. So since I just poured the oil, it's gonna take a few minutes for the engine to get used to the new oil, and then after that, the engine, the computer, can start measure the oil level. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta give it a few minutes. The car gotta be running, by the way. Right, if you want to reset the oil life in this baby, this is what you gotta do, alright? Everything's closed. You gotta close the hood, you gotta close your doors, okay? Now you come over here, car is dead, okay? 1 second.
Let's put it in the car is dead. Okay, you got in the car, you press this button, the start button 3 times, 1 2 3, fast like that. All the lights gonna turn on. Then this guy, press it. Okay, press it and hold it seconds, then let it go, press it again. Let it go, press it and hold it again. Reset successful. Now you can let it go. If you